He just bailed out 16th Drive.
How we built out 16th Drive and what?
Hispanic male, black shirt. He's going southbound from 16th Drive. And I had to stop the vehicle. He started ghost riding it.
Hey, come on, put your hands up. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, pepper ball.
Hands up. Don't step off the wall. Let's go. Feed the police. Turn around. Please come out. We're going to stop dirty. Hands up.
I feel about a 40 on that leg.
If you guys can do it, absolutely.
Watch for the bounce back, guys.
Hey, put your hands up.
Reloaded. Everyone good? Everyone good?
Hey, show me your hands.
Hey, how you feel about a 40 on that leg?
If you guys can do it, absolutely.
Watch for the bounce back, guys.
I'll block you.
Hey, put your hands up.